Hey guys, it's Neen. We're going to deviate from our standard programming today. We just wanted to kind of show you what we've been doing while it's winter and cold, and you know, there was really not a lot of planting to be done. So, this is actually a video about us changing my youngest son's room. That's Donnie there in the corner. And so, we wanted to give him a room that was going to allow him to learn how to be more organized. He has Down syndrome. And so, we've had to adjust how we teach him to put things away and make sure that the room is safe because he doesn't always know what that looks like. So you could tell it was a complete disaster before we got started. And so I think the whole project took us like 2 weeks. I know it took several trips to Target, Walmart, and a weekend vacation for Donovan to his grandparents' house before we could finish it. But we DIY'd a desk out of a couple of bookcases from Walmart, and I think it turned out really good. And so, yeah, we're just gonna time lapse, and then at the end, I'll give you guys like a walkthrough of what the room actually looks like when we're finished. In case anybody is wondering, I think this piece of wood is just like a leftover shelf. My father in law found out that we were trying to make Donnie a desk and he had a piece of wood. And so there are two strips of wood, maybe about an inch wide, half an inch thick, I guess. My husband drilled them into the sides of the bookcases and then rested the shelf on top and then just drilled those down so it won't move. It can't be adjusted either, but we set it, and I don't think Donnie's going to have to move it for several years. So by then, he'll probably want a brand new room anyway. Yay! Now for the best part. So this is the finished product. Donnie loves Spider Man, so we gave him a Spider Man and car themed room. We already had the bed, so we just put some nice bedding on it and got him a pillow, and we kind of arranged his shelves. We know that'll change. So we put the TV on top because he does occasionally watch Disney movies in here, and that's his DVD player. And this first shelf has like his practice pad for his drumsticks, so he would stop banging on everything else. And his matching game that he uses, this actually holds pencils, and this clear box. This is his art supplies, so he's got paintbrushes and paint, and eventually his pastels will make it back in there. And then this box has his blocks, and only this type of block goes in this box, and he knows that, and it's super easy for him to unlock it and get in there and put them back, and then lock it back and put it away. And he's done it a couple times, so we know he can do it. This bin is a miscellaneous bin. It currently has all these weird tube things and some binoculars. Like they really didn't have anywhere else to go, but we didn't want them just everywhere. And so this basket is all of our stuffed animals and our big dolls and our little dolls. And you can see he has like a teddy bear. And there's Mickey, there's Darth Vader, Pluto, Elsa. He also has this doll in the back. Is actually a My Life doll, and he keeps all of the clothes in this basket too. So he dumps it all out. When he's done, he puts it all back in there. So he's really good at that right now. Oh, and this is actually a sleeping bag, but that's not where that goes. It goes over there in the basket. This is his car box, which has the same latches as the block box, and all of his cars, no matter what, if they're Hot Wheels or they're some Disney character car, they all go in there and he locks it back up. This is his lamp. He doesn't really care that it's a lamp. He cares that it's a Spider Man dangling from the lamp, obviously. This is a plant that is probably going to be dead before this video comes out. Um, what else do we? Oh, and up here we have his art rod. I guess it was a curtain rod, so it has a 1 inch clearance. Costs us like $4, but it pops on and off really easily. And we're just using these curtain rings that just have like clips on them to clip stuff up as he does the art. And we can add more or take them away or anything like that. So this is like from school. He has this little art project that he did, and it just slides down. He's happy with it. This is the tall bookcase that we got from Walmart. And we were hoping to be able to keep things up high that we didn't want him to get without somebody like watching. So like this is a metal truck, and then his Elsa lunchbox that he likes to sneak things to school in. And this is these are like number blocks. And then this Mickey's actually unique. It is his therapy Mickey. It helps him with fine motor skills. It's a piggy bank, but he learns to put things in small holes. That's his Pinewood Derby car that he helped paint, and another picture of Spider Man in the background. It was a T-shirt. Now it's a picture. Um, then oh, this blue bin, yeah. So this is actually like all of his little action figure, small figurine things, and then shoes go in a basket because otherwise they go in the hallway, and that's terrible. This is an accessory bucket because Donnie loves accessories. Hats, gloves, lots and lots of hats. We even have these weird, I think that's a like a fanny pack with Mickey on it, and these weird little earmuffs that he wears them the wrong way all the time. And then this is his car rug because Hot Wheels tracks are the devil, but you have to have something to drive the cars on. And then so we had these two Spider-Man curtains, but we couldn't find matches. And then this table, actually his grandparents made that and labeled it for him. His bed and the blanket that his other grandparents gave him. And then, like I said, the curtains. We just framed out the Spider-Man on either side with some blue curtains. Eventually, a mirror is going to go in this little corner because he likes to sing to himself. And then the coat rack over there on this wall so he can hang his backpack up. And you're wondering, where are his clothes? Where does he put them? We don't want him to get to them, so they go in the closet. The entire dresser is in the closet, and he is learning not to touch the closet doors. Um, Things that we don't want him to have, they tend to go up on the top shelf. Like there's his guitar and some shoes that he's not ready for, and there's a radio up there. We don't want him to have those. They go up high, and then the drawers are organized by like category. So that's underwear. Those are pajamas, and then you have short sleeves in that drawer, short pants in that one, long sleeves, and then long pants. Yeah, there's a system. So yeah, the room turned out really good. I don't think it's gonna last, but it's a start, and he has learned where everything goes. So I, I'll have to like keep you guys updated on where it goes.